All right, we are back with the BA build. We have one more big step to complete to give it away at this point, and it's gonna be the exterior parts. So first thing we're gonna be doing is wrapping it. Second, we're gonna be putting on a bunch of ABS vacuum formed plastic stuff. So the front lips, the trunk spoilers, side skirts. But first of all, I wanna talk about the wheels. Rotiform sent us this BUC-M set of wheels. They're 19 by 8.5. And we've wrapped that in a Goodyear Eagle from TireSource, 255. So you got plenty of meat on there, all season tire for wherever you live. And the best part about these wheels, you can change the look pretty much whenever you want. There's a standard set of hubcaps, or center caps rather, that cover the bolts when you're just running the regular wheels, or you can run these sweet aero discs that have the wrap integrated into the design here. And you just put that on top, change out your center cap, and you screw right in. So first thing we're gonna do is get those on and check out the time lapse. We are installing a bunch of exterior ABS parts. Spoilers, front lips, side skirts, diffusers, diffuser, grill accents, and front lip. Did I already say that? Either way, bunch of parts on the outside to make it look like a race car. These are our line of black ABS. So it's plastic, and every piece is vacuum formed, so things like a spoiler that are enclosed on the backside have to be made out of multiple parts and then bonded together. You have to have a positive draft angle on your mold.
You're good.
No, he's not good.
Sorry.
So to get the pieces off the mold, you have to have a positive draft angle, so nothing can kind of like enclose on itself. So anything that's kind of two-piece, it has to be bonded together. So, but either way, like we take the general shape from the carbon fiber pieces, we apply the same shape because we know it works, and then we just adapt it to different manufacturing techniques. So this allows us to bring the same look at a much more affordable price. So cost is way down compared to carbon fiber manufacturing. We kind of took notes from the RS bumpers and just wanted something you could tack on here that'll give your S4 a little bit more aggressive look. So yeah, it was all original design, just kind of inspired by the RS cars.
edge up.
Put the face on and then push it in towards the car. But not too soon like I did. Gimme.
Okay, go ahead.
There it is. Miles and miles of dirt just collecting from the back tire. The last one. I can see. Stop. That was the dirty part.
Well, it'll probably be easier, but I didn't.
Okay. Oh. So all these tabs are CNC cut and then bonded. So I'm just peeling this top edge back a little bit because it's going to be difficult to get at once it's clipped in all the way. There it is.